Did you know that Elon Musk has a foldable house and the startup that made that house is building a factory? And I just watched a video, it says it happened. Elon Musk $10,000 house finally hitting the mark. Well, this video is about you making money online without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without mailing list, and without social media following. And I'm here to show you how you can do it. But I will show you by showing you how we do. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook, Twitter. This way you will help others learn how to make money online the same way you are learning. Oh, by the way, Epic is free, link is in the description. And if you share this video with your friends and family, they will get free access to Epic and all other softwares as well. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers. Let's start with today's money motivation. Yes, this is one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and you can see $126,485 in passive affiliate commission. This money is so exciting, but more exciting is how we do it. We take money from our visitor, and the clicks you see, these are the clicks on our affiliate links from our valuable visitor. So how does this happen? How do their money automatically siphon to our account? The answer is pretty simple. There is no shortcut. We make video. But in our other 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras and microphones because making videos with cameras and microphones is not really easy. It's exhausting and it needs a lot of practice, multiple shootings, editings, and finally they end up with something that you are watching right now. So we found our own shortcut and we built our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic makes videos using image and text. And with Epic, you don't need camera and you don't need microphone. You don't even need to write script. So you can copy text from anywhere, go to the text section, click the text generator, put any text right here, click any of these buttons, and Epic will rewrite the text for you. That text will be yours. No fear of copyright infringement. Then take that rewritten text, go to the audio section, go to the text to audio section, put your text here, click this button, and the application will turn the text into natural sounding voiceover. How cool is that? And Epic allows you to make bite-sized videos like this. They can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. You can save your campaign, go to other work, come back later, add more section by clicking this button. And once you're happy with your video, simply click this render button and your video will be ready in the background. Then you can download it and upload it anywhere you want. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and get visitor, viewer. And here is the kicker. When you share valuable information that people are looking for, you build rapport and relationship with them. And when you ask your viewers to click the links in your description, in the first comment, or in the bio, they will click your links, buy from you, and you will make affiliate commissions. That's exactly how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of other people are making money, and you can do it too. And in this video, I'm going to share how step by step you can do it without experience, without technical knowledge, without website, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, your choice. Sounds good? Awesome. Before we begin, now let's go back to Elon Musk foldable house. This video has got 1.8 million views in just a couple of days, so we know that it's a hot news, a trending story that we can make our videos about, and people will find those videos because they're looking for information. So I'm gonna go to articles like this, take a simple screenshot with free screenshot software, copy this image, create a new section on Epic, click this button, Ctrl V, and the image is pasted here. Wow, looks good. Click upload, and the image is in the library. Just one click, the image is added right here. Now, if you want to talk about it, add your own voiceover, go to audio section and say whatever you want to say about it. Your choice, your review, what you read about, what you think about it. Let's say I want to tell you that this is a hot topic on Google News. So I would just take the screenshot, make a couple of boxes, add a couple of arrows, copy the screenshot, add another section, add the image, and I can record my voice. Hey, look, in Google News, I found Elon Musk foldable house is a trending topic. You should actually make videos about this topic, and a lot of people will watch this. Now my voice is recorded. I'm gonna name it. Go to the recorded audio section, click add, and now listen. Hey, look, in Google News, I found Elon Musk foldable. Talk about this video I'll take a screenshot, add it in a section, and then write a couple of texts to add text to voice. Look at this. Let me add it, click and add, and let's listen to the audio.
YouTube video about Elon Musk's $10,000 house got 1.8 meters views in just under 2 weeks.
This is crazy. You actually don't need to record yourself using camera and microphone if you use Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. Now here is a kicker. Did you see these little shorts? These short videos are under 1 minute long and they get thousands if not millions of views because shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying their best to compete with TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and make these short videos popular. So if you make short videos using Epic, using 2 to 3 minutes of your time, then these 1 minute long videos can get you millions of views. With this good information, helpful information that people are already searching for, people are already watching elsewhere, they will watch from you, build rapport, relationship and trust. And when in your video, you will ask your viewers to click the links in the description, in the first comment or in the bios if you are uploading videos on Instagram and TikTok. They will click your links and those links will generate affiliate commission. This is the simplest form of making money online by helping people with the free information already out there. This is how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of other people are making money and you can do it too. And you should start today. And you can start using Epic free from the link in the description. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way and the fun way. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts and your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timeline. They will love you for sharing helpful information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers. And go ahead, like, share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video and we will see you in the next video.